The climate is changing, and you?
Here on Union Island, our only source of drinking water is from the rainfall. The increase in periods of heat and drought puts the safety and welfare of our community and wildlife at risk. Here we have a key biodiversity area, the Chatham Bay Forest Reserve, that stabilizes the soil, prevents erosion, and attracts rain to our island. This rain we harvest to sustain ourselves. Water is life. The Union Island gecko is found nowhere else in the world. Protecting our forests means protecting its habitat, the attraction of rain, and promoting biodiversity. By doing this, our community continues to adapt to the effects of climate change. Ready together.
You too, take action.